What's up, babies? It's your girl Tati Chanel back with another video, and today's video is amazing. I came and did these on my nails, and then I was like, oh my god, I have to record a video for my babies because this print came out so nice. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the 3D croc print. But you know, your girl, it's it's fall season, so I was like, why not make them into fall colors? Like, you know, all different shades of brown. I was like, bingo, we hit the lottery with this nails. So I did these for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy them. They're super easy to recreate. I show you step by step on how to do them. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. So real quick, I'm out of breath. Oof. Real quick, this hand, okay? Again, I did these on myself, so I didn't have nobody to do them on. So I bought a red iguana dupe, I guess you could say, from Amazon. It was fairly kind of cheap, but not cheap, you know. Well, not compared to the red iguana, since those are really expensive. But girl, I don't know, is it because it's a dupe or it's not like the red iguana? Let me tell you, this was a waste of my little money. It's okay, but it's nothing compared to a real hand. Like, yes, it looks realistic because of the wrinkles and all the knuckles and stuff and the way it moves. But no. I feel like no, this was so hard to do. Like right there, that part, like you could see my thumb was holding it on the cuticle, even though they were glued down. Like it's just a mess. And first of all, the cuticle is nothing like a real hand at all, so that was even more difficult. Y'all, the shaping, oh my god, the things would come out. It was just a mess. I mean, I tried it, I did it, but it was so hard to do, y'all. I would not recommend this. I recommend using the practice fingers if you're trying to practice, or use like a friend or family member instead of these hands, because look, as you can see, the product was just going all over the cuticle, like, because it's not like a real cuticle, you know what I mean? It's like a hole. I don't know what to say. But don't recommend. I give it a 4 out of 10. I would want to return it, but I can't because I threw the package away. But yeah. Okay, so right here I am using the red. I'm using acrylic from Legacy Nails Cover Natural. I got this from my beauty supply store. And as you can see, my acrylic application just was not it. Like, as you can see, it's a little bumpy. And it's just because, I don't know, maybe because I'm not used to practicing on this, or I don't know, but it wasn't the best. But in the end, it came out really pretty. So here was application only, and then right here, as you could see, all the nails were filed and buff. And babies, I'm so excited. On November 1st at 12 o'clock afternoon Mountain Standard Time, Tati Chanel is launching over 20 colors of, are you guys ready? Of gel polish. Yes, your girl did it. We finally came out with 20 colors of gel polish, high pigmentation, high gloss, self-leveling, period. You babies are gonna love this. I absolutely love these gel colors. I chose the colors, and right now I'm gonna show you the colors. But you need to try these gel polishes. Super high quality. You're going to love them. The pigmentation is there. The brush is great for the cuticle area and all that stuff. So right here are some of the colors that I'm going to be using today. This one's called Hershey Kiss, and it's like a really nice dark chocolate. Super pretty. You know, all the colors I chose are really pretty. But I hope you guys really go November 1st, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Mountain Standard Time, and go support your girl and buy some of the gel polishes. You're going to love them. This one was fall season. This one's more of like an orangey brown. Super pretty. Next we got Spice Latte, and this one's a very nice unique color. It's more on the yellow brownish side. Very unique. I still love it. Next is my absolute favorite, which is Coffee and Cream, and it's your perfect light brown. Beautiful for this season. Well, all the colors are nice, but that one's one of my favorite. As you can see right here are all the 20 colors. We got glitter, nude, and babies, let me tell you, these pastels, we went off on the pastels, okay? We got like a periwinkle, lavender, blue, we got green, we got mint, we got a really pretty pastel yellow, orange, and then, you know, I had to hit you with the fall colors. Super nice fall colors. Will fit any skin tone. That's why I chose a variety of these colors, and then a beautiful red. So please make sure November 1st, mark your calendars, 12 o'clock afternoon Mountain Standard Time. Please go support and show love to your girl. You know the website will be on the description box below. We're not just going to be launching gel polishes. Trust me and believe me, babies, you guys do not want to miss this. We spent a lot of money to go crazy on this relaunch. There's going to be so much new supplies. Just a lot. I don't want to give out too much. You're just going to have to wait. It's going to be epic. I hope you guys go and support your girl. So thank you so much for all the love. You know, I do this for y'all. So let's get right into the video. So right here, I'm going to be using one of my gel colors. And we're going to be doing the basic French. If you guys don't know how to do the French, don't even worry. Your girl got you. I did a video on the 3 easy steps on how to do a French tip with gel polish. So make sure you go check out that video because that video is very helpful if you don't like doing French tip with acrylic. This one's going to be all hand painted and it's super easy. Trust me and believe when I say that. So I'm going in with the brush. As you can see, the brush is very high quality. So that's why I'm able to do this. And then, of course, to fix up the lines, I'm going to use a liner brush from Amazon. And we're just going to drag it all the way up. So I'm going to do this to all the nails. And I'm going to let you watch. And then I'll be back to show you guys how to do the croc print. So this is how it looks after 2 coats of our gel polish. And now we're, of course, if you want it shiny, go ahead and put shiny. But I think the look looks super, super clean and nice when you put matte top coat. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using the Koopa matte gel top coat, no wipe. We're going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and do the croc print design. Alright babies, here we go. We're going to start off with some lines. I recommend getting a liner brush. I see some girls doing it with like a dotting tool. I don't like the dotting tool. I think it makes them too thick. So this one you have nice, precise, controlled lines. So you're going to be taking more, not a little bit of polish, more on the like a lot of polish on your brush. And you're going to go, as you can see, a straight line down. Of course, these don't have to be perfect because the croc print is all different, shapes and sizes. But, I like to keep mine very uniform and nice. So then we're going to go ahead and those lines that we created, we're going to turn it to the side and do them in between those lines that we created. If you guys watch, you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And then you're going to take it all the way up. And make sure you have like a thick amount of gel polish on your lines so the acrylic can stick to it and become puffy, and you'll see what I mean. So then I just did that and repeated it on the other side of the nail, and then you're gonna get some clear acrylic, okay? Not no pink, not no natural, clear acrylic, and you're gonna just throw it on there, okay? You're not gonna be like, you're gonna have to sprinkle it at first so the gel won't move. But as you can see, you're just gonna keep going until oh my god, I can't talk. Sorry. You're going to keep going until like all the design is kind of on the matte side, okay? You don't want any shiny parts. And you'll know when it's done. As you can see, it looks all matte. You're going to cure this, okay? You're going to cure this now for 60 seconds. And then we're going to repeat again. We're making those nice lines. Again, they have more gel polish than a regular line, so the acrylic can become puffy. And do it all the way to the top. And then we're going to start working on the sides. Right in between those lines that we created. Again, load your brush with gel polish. You need a lot of gel polish for this. Not where it's dripping down, but, that's why I love my gel polish. It has a lot of control. It will not move. It will not drip. So, my gel polish is more on the thicker side, which I absolutely love. And once you're done with that design, again, we're going to sprinkle it with some acrylic. And just take your time with this. Again, it does not have to be perfect. The crocodile print is not, but I just like to do it very nicely. Again, slowly we are dropping the acrylic. Make sure to get every little scale that you did. And then once all the acrylic is done, you're going to cure. And we're going to just be repeating this step until we're all done. And as you guys can just see like how pretty they look already, this print is so nice, especially with the acrylic. You could do it glossy, but I just think the matte just makes it stand out so much more. So this one's actually the coffee and cream color, and then we're just doing the side now. Load your brush. I changed brushes because mine fell on the floor and I didn't want to pick it up. But a liner brush will do. Don't use a dotting tool. Use a liner brush first, and if you don't like it, then go ahead and use a dotting tool. But I think the liner brush is way much better. And then you're going to turn it and do the side. And if you mess up, just go ahead and take some acetone and wipe it off. No big deal because you already have the design sealed. And as you can see, we're going to put some acrylic on there. Oh, there you go. I'm using a nail tip to scoop up the acrylic, y'all. I did not have like a spoon in hand, so I just used a little nail tip. And then tap it. Go ahead and do it. When you tap it, you can kind of see which spots you did not get. And then once you tap it, you like everything, you're going to go ahead and put it in the lamp. And there you go, babies. This is how it came out. They came out so pretty, so nice. Look how nice the scales look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys mean the world to me, like always. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment any other video you want me to do. And make sure to click the ding ding bell on the side of the subscribe button so you can know when I post. And I'll see y'all till next time. Bye, babies.